Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Rachel and I like to help people find a sense of calm. I created this channel to share tips and tools for mental health and well-being and voice techniques for meditation and healing. So today I'm going to introduce to you something called the Sushumna Rocket. Now the Sushumna is an energetic vessel that lies next to your spine, parallel with your spine, and it's energetic. It's where all the energy shoots up and down. It's where the energy moves through us. And the Sushumna Rocket is using sound to kind of blow the cobwebs away through the Sushumna and out the top of the head. And this can be a fantastic technique for literally clearing away the cobwebs, or if you just can't shift something, or you're just, I don't know, sometimes it can be useful if you feel like you're angry and you're going to go off pop. You know, it can be a good way of channeling that energy. It's a fun thing to do. Yes, so the Sushumna Rocket. So we're going to go from the lowest sound we can make to the highest sound we can make. And we're going to use the vowel sounds ah, o, oo, e. Ah, o, oo, e. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate this to you. The Sushumna Rocket. So, it's, as you can hear, it's quite fun, it can be a bit loud, yeah, but you just have to kind of go for it, you know, so dig deep. You know, all the low sounds are, sit down around your hips kind of thing. So, dig deep, allow, don't be scared of the low sounds. We are all a combination of anima and animus, male and female. We have, not for women, we don't just have the high, lovely voice. We have the rest of us, the deep stuff. And it's just as important to be in touch with that. That's where our grounding is. So, let's have another go together maybe, the Sushumna Rocket. You can either have a go with me now, or you can just listen again. Okay, so we start very low, ah, oo, e. So normally when I do this in the groups, we all end up dissolved in laughter, as you can probably imagine. It's funny, it's a funny thing to do. It's a fun thing to do. If it makes you laugh, that's great stuff. Laughter will raise your vibration. At the moment, we need to try and keep our vibration high. There's so much pulling at us. And this is where this internal referencing is so important, and listening to ourselves and to our own inner voice. Because at the moment, there are people out there trying to tell you what you need to do with your body. And it's really, really important that you check in with yourself and know what is right for you and for your body. No one else can tell you what is right for your body, only you. And you will only know that if you silence all the external noise and tune into yourself. Like in the internalized space that we talk about after we make the sounds. That's where you stand a chance of hearing and getting in touch with what is right for you. So if you feel yourself being pulled outwards, do this, do that, do the other, why aren't you doing this, or questioning you, or giving you a hard time, don't have any of it. Just let it go in there, out there, and then come back to yourself and make your own decision based on what you feel is right for you. and only you. Because the decisions you make, you're the one that's going to live with them, no one else. So be sure, you know, a lot of the purpose of this work, listening to our voice, is about listening to our inner voice, getting in touch with what's right for us. Because from a very early age, we are taught always to defer to external sources, you know, teachers, bosses, even, you know, friends and acquaintances. What do they think? It's more important what you think, what is right for you, and that will come from a feeling inside you. You know, your head, all the ning, that will fib to you, that will lie to you, that will tell you all sorts of rubbish, you know. But your body will never lie to you. The feelings that you get in your body, they're real. You know, you can trust the feelings in your body. You know, your mind is supposed to be a tool that you can use to create, to manifest stuff, or to, you know, we can engage our brain to use stuff. It's not meant to be that our mind dominates us with this incessant kind of mind stuff that we find ourselves stuck in. So all of this work that we're doing is to help us get out of our head, back into our body, and back into knowing what is right for us. So I hope you've enjoyed the Sushumna Rocket. Let's just finish off with one more Sushumna Rocket, just for fun. So you need a nice deep breath, nice and, you know, deep down into the belly, and then just have a bit of fun. You know, don't hold back, just let it go. You know, I find myself holding back a little bit because I've got a house full of people here, and I know when I go high I'm loud, so I'm holding back a little bit. But don't, you know, if you're free to make a sound, just go for it. A very good place to make this sound is in the car, because no one can hear you, you're uninhibited. Not that that should matter, but it's difficult to make loud sounds when you know people can hear you. I understand that. So one last Sushumna Rocket before we finish this session. So there we are, that's our fun for today. I hope you've enjoyed it. I'll be back very soon with another session and some more sounds. Thank you very much for being with me. Please like and share. I'd really, really appreciate that. And if you haven't already, hit subscribe. Thank you very much for being with me. I'll be back very soon. Bye-bye.